They said perfection couldn't be improved. But what if I told you the 2025 Mercedes S-Class now legally drives itself without your hands? Or that BMW turned its backseat into an 8K movie theater? Yes, really. And Audi, it's quietly undercutting them all, offering Rolls-Royce-level silence at a $20,000 discount. This isn't just evolution, this is war. Germany's biggest luxury brands fighting for dominance in the most elite segment of all, the full-size flagship sedan. In this video, we're breaking down the 2025 Mercedes S580 Formatic, BMW 760, iX Drive, and Audi AI L60 TFSI, their wildest features, shocking performance stats, and which one truly owns the luxury throne in 2025. Let's start with the undisputed king of prestige, the Mercedes-Benz S-Class, specifically, the 2025 S580 Formatic. The moment you step inside, it's clear, this isn't just a car, it's a sanctuary of tech, silence, and sophistication. Under the hood, a 4.0-liter V8 biturbo engine, paired with a mild hybrid EQ boost system, delivering 496 horsepower and 516 pound-feet of torque. That means 0 to 60 in just 4.4 seconds, all in complete comfort. But the real magic, Mercedes is now offering Drive Pilot, their Level 3 autonomous system. In California and Nevada, this S-Class can legally drive itself. Yes, hands off, eyes off, on mapped highways up to 40 miles per hour in heavy traffic. It's the first US legal production car to do that. And if that doesn't wow you, the interior will. There's the optional 56-inch box hyperscreen, an all-glass dashboard that stretches across the cabin, with OLED displays for the driver, passenger, and center stack. Burmester 4D surround sound. It doesn't just play music, it uses in-seat resonators so you can feel the bass in your spine. It's basically a luxury spa with a V8. And with a cabin so quiet it rivals private jets, 64-color ambient lighting, massaging seats, and real wood trim, you're not just sitting in a car, you're being transported in rolling art. BMW 760, iX Drive, the driver's theater. But don't bow just yet, because BMW came to 2025 with something bold, something outrageous, the new 760, iX Drive. First, performance. A 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8, paired with a 4.8V mild hybrid system, delivers 536 horsepower and 553 pound-feet of torque. That's good for 0 to 60 in just 4.1 seconds, making it the fastest in this trio. But here's where it gets crazy. In the back seat, you can spec BMW's 31-inch 8K theater screen. It folds down from the roof. It streams Netflix, YouTube, Amazon Prime. It literally turns the back seat into a mobile cinema. Pair it with the Bowers & Wilkins Diamond surround sound system, and it becomes one of the most immersive automotive experiences on Earth. And up front, you've got the new iDrive 8.5 with curved displays, augmented reality navigation, and AI-driven suggestions that learn your driving patterns. BMW's blending cutting-edge technology with a more driver-focused, performance-first edge. If the Mercedes is a luxury yacht, the BMW 760i is a private jet with Wi-Fi, weapons-grade entertainment, and launch control. Audi AI L60 TFSI, the quiet assassin. Then there's Audi, the quiet one. The AI L60 TFSI doesn't scream luxury, it whispers it, with confidence. With a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8, this Audi makes 453 horsepower and 487 pound-feet of torque. That gets it to 60 in about 4.5 seconds. Not the fastest, but absolutely smooth. Audi's real flex, comfort and control. The predictive active suspension scans the road 18 times per second and adjusts each wheel independently. Potholes gone. Cornering flat. Ride quality cloud-like. Inside, you get dual-screen MMI with haptic feedback, Audi Virtual Cockpit, and an optional Bang & Olufsen 3D sound system, with 23 speakers and nearly 2,000 watts. And the kicker, acoustic insulation so advanced that independent testers found cabin noise to be lower than a Rolls-Royce Ghost at cruising speed. No joke. It's elegant, minimalist, understated. If you want luxury without the flash, Audi's your power move. Engine: Mercedes-Benz S580 4MATIC 4.0L V8 bi-turbo plus mild hybrid. BMW 760 iX drive for 4L V8 twin power turbo plus mild hybrid. Audi AI L60 TFSI 4.0L V8 bi-turbo. Price: Mercedes S580 $126,000, BMW 760 I $117,000, Audi AI8L $101,000. Mercedes wins for sheer opulence and futuristic autonomy. BMW brings the thrill and unmatched rear seat entertainment. Audi, it's the secret weapon, refined, silent, and shockingly underpriced. And the best part, this war isn't over, it's just beginning. What's coming next? Mercedes is already expanding Drive Pilot and testing level for autonomy on the upcoming EQS facelift. BMW is preparing its new E-Class electric platform with a total interior redesign and HUD-focused controls. And Audi's next AI8, inspired by the Grand Sphere concept, will feature full level for automation, lounge-style seating, and even more sustainability. We're watching flagship sedans evolve from symbols of wealth into self-driving, AI-powered smart lounges. So which one wins? If you want the most advanced luxury experience, Mercedes S580. If performance, tech, and rear seat entertainment matter most, BMW 760i. If you want quiet luxury with maximum value, Audi AI8 is your silent ace. These aren't just luxury cars, they're statements, moving ecosystems of power, prestige, and progress. And in 2025, the battle between Mercedes, BMW, and Audi has never been closer. Which one would you drive home? Drop a comment below, like and subscribe for more deep dive luxury reviews. And remember, luxury isn't just about money, it's about experience.